Hey, um, the FNAF series wasn't really cutting it. If y'all were wondering where was it and why wasn't it coming on, that's because a lot of people and some of my friends are well, just my friends are Sonic people. Sonic Sonic use our Sonic games and Sonic stuff sometimes. I am gonna change that. I'm gonna make a new series that is based off the Mario Brothers. Well, one specific Mario brother. If well, yeah. Either way, the series wasn't really kicking off, so I'm starting a new one. This one's gonna come, hopefully. This one's kind of a big deal. It's a lot. I always try my best just to make you guys feel feel like someone else. Well, mainly for me because I just want to make you guys like have entertainment and such that, and not just make content out of gacha life, you know. And so, and because of that, I'm sorry, and I hope this new series of mine will actually come into place.